Students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Professor Irfan Rasheed. The topic of my today's lecture is Shanghai Conference, which is going to be held here in Pakistan from October 15 to 17. For the success of this conference, in view of Pakistan image, was somewhat that Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also participate in it, but matter became somewhat astonishing that just Indian Foreign Minister J. Shankar will participate in it. However, we are somewhat satisfied that Indian representation in this regard will help to resolve some ongoing issues which are being faced by both the countries as well as other 12 members of SCO summit. Russian President Mr. Putin and Indian Prime Minister, President or other leadership will also participate in it. I suggest that the prospects for mutual, cultural, social, political, and other activities must be signed therein, and the compulsion of visa amongst the member countries must be removed, so that the summit may more helpful. Previously, this summit was held in India and other countries, and Pakistan made its representation much more. And Pakistan, every leadership of Pakistan projected and wanted to present some valuable suggestions therein, which were profoundly discussed and became very positive in view of the thinkers and representatives of the countries concerned. May friendship of China and Pakistan flourish in centuries. We were with China when it was under the yoke of colonialism, discussed imperialism. We were with you when various external forces tried to bring pressure on China, when it was upholding its vital aims. And we shall be with you in every crisis and the way of trial. Our relations with China are so much valuable than those integral interests of the people. But in view of the people, our relations are also very positive and profoundly very conducive. In the past, the Warsaw Pact was ended. The end of Warsaw Pact created very negative situation throughout the globe because NATO became only one power. In many Muslim and developing countries, the involvement of US, NATO became very negative, and it crushed the values of independence, as you see in Gaza, Palestine, Syria, Iraq, Iran, and Indian occupied Muslim Jammu and Kashmir. It is hoped that Shanghai Conference will also reflect its unanimous role for resolving the issue of Indian occupied Muslim Jammu and Kashmir, and will convince the Indian leadership to end, finish the Section 370, which was imposed there only to press the people there and let the people of India, Hindus, provide the opportunities to establish their houses in Kashmir. Let the people of Kashmir enjoy freedom as per UNO's past various resolutions, and it is hoped that Shanghai Conference will consolidate the prospects of resolution of this issue positively. Thank you.